Hi, I am Manjula Paul, owner of Uttrakta Ayurveda. Today I am going to discuss some simple natural remedies for skin allergies. Rashes which develop because of an allergic reaction are different than the rashes caused by illness. I am only addressing rashes caused by allergies here. When dealing with allergies, it is always preferable to identify and remove the irritant than to simply mask it by taking medicine or using an ointment. Skin allergies can come from things you have eaten, certain cosmetics, jewelry, some fabrics, and also some laundry detergents and fabric softeners. According to Ayurveda, people who have a Pitta predominant Prakriti are more susceptible to rashes. If you are developing a rash, look back and see what is new in your habits or routines. You may have introduced a new element in your home, like a new brand of laundry detergents, and your body is reacting to it. Sometimes it is simply not possible to identify the source of your rash, so when you find yourself breaking out from an allergic reaction, natural remedies can be extremely effective. Whenever possible, I prefer to use a natural remedy. I would prefer not to become dependent upon a pharmaceutical anti-allergy medications like anti-inflammatories and antihistamines. This approach is safer and more sustainable. Natural remedies are also cheaper and, unlike pharmaceutical drugs, have little or no risk of side effects. The first is oatmeal. It is one of the best natural remedies for skin conditions involving inflammation. Oatmeal has natural anti-inflammatory substances and antioxidants that work to reduce skin inflammation and dryness. It also contains linoleic acid and oleic acid, which helps to reduce cytokine levels, which otherwise cause inflammation. The use of oatmeal to treat allergic skin reactions is also supported by research, which shows that it can also repair and restore skin. To prepare, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with water, adding small amounts of water until you can make a spreadable paste. You can add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil if you like. Apply this paste to the affected area and cover this with a moistened cloth. Leave it covered for 30 minutes and repeat as necessary. Wash and moisturize the affected area after treatment. Secondly, I would recommend aloe vera. You can buy an aloe plant from a local nursery, or even some grocery stores sell large pieces in the produce section. Aloe vera is one of the most popular ingredients in almost all natural skin care products today. It is extremely effective as a natural allergy treatment. There is ample evidence which illustrates the benefits of aloe in healing wounds and fighting minor skin infections. Aloe vera is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits, which is helpful with allergy skin conditions. Additionally, aloe vera contains nutrients like vitamin B12, A, C, and E, magnesium, calcium, zinc, and certain fatty acids, all of which may help to reduce inflammation. If you can't find an aloe plant or fresh cuttings, many drugstores carry a commercial aloe liquid. Just be sure to purchase 100% aloe without any additives. Next, I would suggest trying mint, also known as pudina. It has a long history of use in Ayurveda when combating skin disorders and allergies. The herb has a natural cooling effect because of the presence of menthol and essential oil that is found in all mint plants. Mint leaves are also known to be a rich source of flavonoids and phenols that give it potent anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties. Through these natural actions, pudina extracts can not only provide relief from a skin allergy, but can also lower the risk of skin infection. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is very popular throughout Ayurveda as it is one of the most important Ayurvedic herbal ingredients in a wide range of medications and is noted for its immune supportive role. The herb is rich in therapeutic compounds that give it other medicinal uses too. Studies show that Tulsi possesses strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can lower the risk of infections as well as skin irritation associated with allergies. Crushed coriander leaves and stems are also very effective when applied to the rash. Eating coriander or cilantro leaves can facilitate the elimination of certain heavy metals and other environmental toxins from the body. The juice of the leaves can be used topically for allergic skin rashes. Coriander is effective in balancing all doshas but especially pitta. Finally, neem is widely used as a natural remedy for chickenpox and other inflammatory skin conditions to reduce itching and avoid scratching. Thanks to its strong anti-inflammatory activity, neem can also help to reduce skin allergy symptoms, providing quick relief. In addition to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, some evidence suggests that the herb also possesses natural antihistamine properties, making it one of the most potent natural treatments for allergic disorders. Thank you for visiting, and I welcome you to follow me weekly. Subscribe, like and share these videos with friends or family you think might benefit from learning about the world's oldest healthcare system.